Project managers, who are you? Project managers are change agents. Project managers are people who everybody hates. Why? Anyone who wants to write in the chat why people organization hates project managers? Anyone? Why do they hate project managers? Why are we the reason who are people are not enjoying us? They always have complaints against us. No one? PM don't do anything. Okay, who can lead and start on the project in the proper way? Hassan and Islam, simple. We are the change agent. We are asking them to change. Every human being resists the change. It is impossible that the organization remains in a status quo situation after any project starts. There will be a change. Something will get changed, and that is you, and that is why you are not a very likable person within an organization, because you are asking people to change. You are asking people to do things differently. You are asking people to come out of their comfort zone. You need to lead the team to achieve the projects, balance the competitive objectives. You need to communicate with stakeholders, team, other people, and most importantly, business value. Whether the project that you are delivering, it is adding a value to the organization. Does this project means anything to the mean anything to the organization, or it is just you have delivered because you liked it?